When it comes to your business, you need an online form that does it all, but most importantly, accepts payments. Whether you need to sell products or services, set up recurring subscriptions, or raise donations online, Jotform makes it easier than ever to collect payments through powerful online forms. All you have to do is use our form builder to build one from scratch, or customize one of our free templates to match your business. No coding necessary. Just drag and drop to add pricing, images, discounts, autoresponder emails, and more. Then connect your form to a payment provider. Jotform offers more than 30 trusted, popular gateways to choose from. Once you embed it in your website, you'll be able to accept customer info, file attachments, e-signatures, and payments directly through your form. And if you're worried about security, don't be. Submissions with sensitive cardholder data will be protected according to PCI and GDPR standards. So, what are you waiting for? Grow your business and make online payments seamless with Jotform without paying additional transaction fees. Online payments with Jotform. Try it today for free.